Hey friends, I've been working on reorganizing my kitchen to really fit my style. And I ordered this air fryer and it was my first time cooking with an air fryer. But it's really small for a family of 6. I'm not returning it, but I got a second bigger air fryer so that I can cook in both of them at once. Now we're gonna unbox it. I was shocked when it came in the mail because it's so big looking from the box, so I'm very curious how big it'll be on the inside. Let's open it up. I'm really excited because this is 6 times the size of the other one, and I'm gonna really be able to cook a lot of food in this air fryer. Hold up a minute. I just realized I was given an air fryer recipe book with this. This is golden. I'm gonna have so many cool ideas from this. So exciting. Here's the instructions for it. Thanks for watching. Bye.